I never said I never had God. Sabi ko, reviewin ninyo. Your God is not my God. Your God is stupid. My God is perfect. And nasa perfect common sense. Ako, I believe in a universal being. There is somebody there more supreme than the rest of the gods of men. Mayroon talaga dyan. Kasi pag hindi, with all the billions and trillions of stars, kung walang nagkukontrol niyan, sumabog na tayo lahat. Why do you have to talk about religion? If I choose not to believe in any God, what's the thing about it? It's the freedom of to choose one. Why do you bind me with something very stupid? Binigyan ako ng Diyos ng isip.